Hey everyone, this is TJ here and welcome to my YouTube channel English Guru Learn to Speak English with TJ. Today we'll talk about the difference between home and house, mansion and villa. Home and house, which is correct word, right? Both are correct words. The difference between home and house is home is small and house is little big than home. Home where people live, normally people live and with all the things inside, with like with a family, and we like to live in home. House is bigger than home. It is like a building. Home is not a building. House is like concrete building or something, maybe with one or two floors, with four walls and a roof. So this is the difference only, home and house. Home small, house is big as compared to home. That is the difference, guys. That's it. But both the words are correct. No need to worry about, no need to get confused. Let's talk about difference between mansion and villa. Mansion is bigger than house but smaller than villa. Villa is bigger than mansion with luxurious things. It is luxurious. Mansion is bigger than house and smaller than villa. But nowadays, mansion and villas are used as museums. That's it. That is the difference between mansion and villa. Mansion and villa. Mansion is smaller than villa and villa is bigger than mansion. Like home is smaller than house and house is bigger than home. But mansion is bigger than house but smaller than villa. And villa is bigger than home, house and mansion with luxurious things. But nowadays mansion and villas are used as museums. That's it. That is the difference between home and house and mansion and villas. That's it. So I hope you like this video and please do subscribe my channel and share to all your friends. Thank you. Bye everybody.